How to make a playlist on Spotify. For this, first open the Spotify app. If you do not have it, you can install it from App Store or Play Store and then click on the Your Library option on the bottom right corner. Here, click on the plus icon on the top right corner, and after this you will have two options to create a playlist or to create a blend, as you can see on the screen. Click on playlist and you will be able to give your playlist a name, after which your playlist has been created. Here you can add songs, as you can see, by clicking on add to this playlist. You can also click on the three dots that you can see, where you have plenty of options to edit the playlist name, add description, or even change the image of the playlist. You can add songs simply by clicking on add to this playlist, as you can see on the screen, where you will have plenty of options of songs to choose from. You can simply click on the plus icon beside each song to add it to your playlist, and this is how you can easily create a playlist. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel.